Ngayong araw ay samahan niyo kami lakbayin ang Ternate Cavite at Calatagan, Batangas. Mag-enjoy sa magagandang tanawin at sa isang chill ride na sobrang kalmado with my friend Nomad Rider PH aka Tatay Celo. Good morning, dito na kami sa Ternate Cavite. Malapit na tayo sa ating destination which is Caveman Tunnel. So let's go! I'm with my tropa, dating office mate, way back 2007. I have Nomad Rider PH, kasama natin ngayon. You can check his Facebook account, Facebook page rather, and YouTube account. He's leading the way for us. Dito maraming twisties. Pero syempre priority pa rin natin ang ating safety. So takbong kalmado lang tayo. Hindi natin kailangan bumakbak ng bumakbak. Wala sa vocabulary natin yan. Kalmahan lang. Touchdown Caveman Tunnel. Ito ang longest tunnel dito sa Pilipinas. So dapat lang napuntahan natin ito. Dito rin tambayan ng maraming riders. Let's go in. Ito palang Caveman, grabe. They say may multo daw dito paggabi. Pero kahit tumagar meron rin daw. Tara, balik na tayo. Going in. Sorry, nabingi ka.
Ba't hinihinsan ko?
Sorry, may communicator kasi kami ni Tatay Celo. So
Sorry naman yun.
nabingi siya. Sumigaw ako. Sorry. Dumadami na tao.
Pwede naman. Pwede, kain muna tayo, usad muna tayo.
Sige.
Boss, baka maliligaw dagat. Kasi pagka...
Hindi na pa.
It's only. Biro mo lang. Biro lang. Linda.
Ay, sorry.
Sige lang.
Dapat kanina simulan mo yan.
Okay lang. Madali lang yan eh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. Get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, down with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free with me.
So right now we're heading to Balatagan, Batangas. Pumuntahan tayo dun na Night Tower. Medyo maganda yung lugar na yun. And by the way, shoutout nga pala sa aking best buddy Morris Lusande, Motorist TV. Shoutout, subscribe kayo sa kanyang YouTube channel. You can check his Facebook page also, Motorist TV. Yo Morris, what's up yo? Miss you brother.
What's it called to come out town?
There's no time to borrow today.
Sige.
Something's gotta kill me.
Hey, it's a good day to live.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good day today. It's a good day to live.
Alright, let's go. And we're heading to Cape Santiago Lighthouse. Nandito na tayo sa Calatagan, Batangas. This is a historic lighthouse dito sa Batangas. It is also called Parola ng Cape Santiago, or also known as Faro de Punta Santiago.
Ano pa yung mga puno na yan? May mga tula? Ay, hindi ganyan. Oo nga eh. Parang mga puto. Oo. Ganda. Ganda naman. Pagbalik meron rin. Wala. Magkano pre? Ito na oh. Doon itong driver. Bakit ito yan? Cape Santiago Lighthouse. Adventure. Pulbos? Sorry, tititipan ko na lang tap. Bali, 50 po ang isa. Pwede nang pabutap sa nito. Kasi sari sa labas na lang po tayo. Hindi na po tulap natin po.
Dito na po parking, pwede po dito.
50
isa kuya. Ito po. 20 po. 110. Number. Sobrang ganda dito. Pakita ko sa inyo, tingnan nyo ha.
I was lost
was at home again beside the stream. Then you walked past me, and you saw me and smiled. I will never forget the first time when I saw you. I thought I lost my mind. Blue and faded was blown away and left behind. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt more right. Woke up lonely, and for you there is nothing in this world I wouldn't do. I would walk 1,000 miles just to see you. I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? I hope you'll always be around, even if I fail. You are like a summer breeze that I must inhale. Is it possible for us to feel this way forever? Loving you has never felt right.
Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng lugar na to. Bago ko tapusin ang vlog na to, ay nais kong iwan sa inyo ang mensahe na to. Na ang Cave Yang Tunnel at ang Cave Santiago Light Tower ay patuloy na nagpapaalala sa atin na gaano man kadilim ang kinatatayuan natin na sitwasyon o sa buhay, ay may liwanag at pag-asa pa ding naghihintay sa atin. Panggabayan tayo sa tamang landas, sa tamang gawain. Kaya huwag i-give up, kapatid. There's always hope. God is good and everything will be alright. This is Scooby Vlogs. Peace, and I'm out of here.
Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop.
Morning, ingay dito.